Hello guys, today we are going to open and disassembly the SHARP plasma cluster. This is an air purifier. This is the part, this is the cover, the front cover from SHARP plasma cluster. And you can see we have two PCBs for the button and control panel. This is for the digital lights for this. And the top one is for the button control panel PCBs. So yeah, to open this we have 6 screws. This is mounted to the fan. This is the fan, this is the motor, and most of the case the machine is totally dead or it has no power at all. So in that case you need to open this box. This box is for the power supply. This is a SHARP air purifier with humidifying function, model KC-A50EA-W. It has a 42 watt and 0.4 ampere consumption. Okay, let's try to open this. Before you open this plasma cover, there are cables attached, so you need to open this. It attached to this socket. Before you separate this cover, you need to unplug these cables, the socket cables. Okay, we can open like this. This is the cover. So most of the case, if the motor is not spinning, there are no air coming out, you need to check the motors, and then you need to check the power supply. And most of the case, if it's totally dead, you can check first the fuse. This is the fuse, 2.5 ampere. Check with your multimeter, is there any connection with the fuse? If the fuse is good, then you can move to check these capacitors. Most of the air purifier is having problem with this type of capacitors. Check these capacitors with your multimeter. If you have multimeter with picofarad, microfarad reading, it will be better. So you need to replace with the microfarad or picofarad size that you can read from the body. Usually there are code for the value there. And if the motor is not spinning very well, you can try to spray first with the oil lubricant such as WD-40 and others. You can open this motor and you can check if the motor is good. I'm gonna open the motor and see the specification of this motor. Okay, if you can see, this is the specification of the motor. If you can see, it's stating it is a DC 340 volt and 38 watt. And again, usually I spray this motor with the WD-40 to make the corrosion and rust is gone. This is the cover for the motor. This is rubber. It will reduce the vibration from this motor. So this is very important rubber. So for the total cleaning, usually for daily cleaning we are cleaning these two filters. And for total cleaning, you can also open this and clean the fan inside. This is the fan. Usually after several months there are so many dust here. We need to clean or wash it with the clear water. You can spray the lubricant to the motor in this point. Spin like this. So you can feel, and the oil and grease will be coming inside. So the movement will be more smooth. If you look from behind, we can see here also there is a motor. This is mechanism for the water tank. This inside the servo motor. You need to check if it's the servo motor is working or not, or just spray with the lubricant. so it will running smooth. And And this is for the water bottle mechanism. See, you can fill the water from this area. This is the bottom area for the water tank, like this. Inside this water base there are a floating foam indicator for the water. Many people made a mistake by placing the wrong position for this foam. There's a little plastic there. This is the wrong position. The right position is below the plastic, like this. This is the right position. Place it like this and like that. So this is the correct position. Otherwise you will make the water indicator blinking. It's showing that there is no water in the tank. And later we will put like this. See. Okay, first step we reassemble this. After we are cleaning and troubleshoot, we need to put back the cover on. Okay, after we finish screw back all these 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the next step is we put back these filters. One thing you need to notice is this gear. This gear must be connected to this small gear. This placement is with the water base parts here. First we need to put the gear position up, and then we insert the water base like this. So as you can see now, the gear position is correct, so it can rotate. Okay, the next step is we put back the tank, the water tank. You can also fill in the water here, clear water for the humidity mist for the machine. You can put like this. Put the handle like this. And it's done. Okay, now the last part is we need to put back the main back cover, this one. So I just clean this back cover. Okay, I will remove this water tank first, so it will be easier because this position. Now we just need to screw this all. And now we can put the water tank. And the next thing is we need to put back all the filters. We have 2 filters here. There's a holding ribbon here. I think this is the same. The small plastic is downside. Down first and up. Okay, now we are finished. Let's try. This is for the clean air on. This is for the clean air and humidify on. For this one, we need the water in the water tank. See, there are water blinking. It means there are no water inside. We need to fill the water inside the tank first. This is for iron shower on. This is the slow, middle, and this is for the fastest. Now you can feel the air coming out. Okay, that's it guys. That's how you open your air purifier and how to troubleshoot and how to clean this air purifier. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Terima kasih, bye bye.